Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Down here in the laundry room, I had a question of someone asking right here: how do you use Borax and the Arm & Hammer products inside your washing machine? So they left that comment, or this person left that comment on my Earth Breeze review video. So if you guys are interested in trying out Earth Breeze for the first time, make sure you guys click over to that video after you watch this video. Or you can watch that video first and then come back to this video, whatever you would like to do. So I made that Earth video review video for you guys of myself using it for the first time. They do not pay me. They do not do anything with me. I'm not affiliated with them. I just wanted to try this product out for the first time and get away from these two products right here, the Gain Liquid and the Tide Pods. A lot of people are starting to get away from this stuff and go more towards the old school way and the new school way, which is the Earth Breeze Eco Sheets. So I've showed you guys this product, what it does, how it works, etc., etc. Again, if you want to see more of that video or get some more information, go check out that video. Now, to answer this question here, how do you use the Borax and the Arm & Hammer products inside your washer? This obviously is a front load washer. So there is a difference with front load washers and the top load washers. It's just basically the difference is the doors. So for the front load washers, do not, I repeat, do not put that stuff inside of here. The only thing that I put inside of here is my kind of secret sauce here to get grass stains out, other stains that I have already pre-treated with this product. But here it is. You guys all know this product, Dawn. Now, yes, I did say we're trying to get away from this stuff. And obviously, we all know Dawn has some chemicals in it. But for me and what I use it for and my laundry personally, like with my own personal stuff, not my kids or anything like that, with my stuff, because I have a dirty job, multiple dirty jobs, I need something with some power to get the stains and stuff off. The dirt, the grime, the concrete off my pants, whenever it splashes up on me, grass stains, etc. So I need that. I use the pre-wash and the regular reservoir here. So I put some Dawn dish soap in both of those, close this up. Then I have my clothes in here already. And obviously this is empty, but after you put your clothes in here, let's use a towel for example. So pretend that this is my clothes. Throw that in there. All right. Then what you do is you get your Borax or whatever you want to use. And what you do is you come down here, put this inside of your washer and just sprinkle it around in there. Now, how much to use if you're doing this for the first time? If you still got one of these from your old laundry canister there, use about half of this. So pour half of this Borax inside of there, and that'll give you a proper measurement. I've been doing this for so long that I can just eyeball it, just tell how much I'm putting in there. And again, use whichever one you want to use. I personally, when I got really heavily soiled stuff or stains or concrete or stuff, I use the Borax, the laundry booster together with the Earth Breeze, and with one sheet of Earth Breeze and the Dawn dish soap, and it gets all of that stuff out first time, first try. And I do have it on the heavy duty wash setting for this specific LG Thin Q front load washing machine. Now, that is it for front load. So similar situation for top load washers, but if you have an old school washing machine top loader, this is perfect for you. If you have the new school that doesn't fill up with the water first, I would say go a little bit less on these products, because for me, it's just kind of makes me sleep better at night. If I had a speed, let's say an old school great, which is a Speed Queen washing machine, that's the washing machine that I really wanted, but kind of compromised with my wife here on getting these front loads. But for me and what I know and working on stuff and being mechanically inclined, Speed Queens top load washers are the #1 choice for longevity for washing machines, so you don't ever have to deal with problems or anything like that. But for top loads, all you're going to do is fill up the water first if you've got a machine that can do that. then put your clothes in, and then put these products on top, sprinkle it on top of those clothes with the water already in it. And for me, again, I just like the way it washes better that way. It just uses gravity when it's agitating back and forth. It's just moving that borax, baking soda, and laundry booster from Arm & Hammer, moving it around, getting you a better wash throughout the wash cycle in all of your clothes, so that all of the product gets onto all of those clothes and all the clothes material to wash it better. And then this is just me and common knowledge right there with how things work. So that is basically how you use Borax and Arm & Hammer products, and the way that I use them as well, along with Earth Breeze, to wash my clothes. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and I'd greatly appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.